Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to take my dog out for a walk. Let me show you guys how he's gonna run when I say this word. Milo, you wanna go party? You wanna go party, Milo? He's gonna start dancing. You wanna go party? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come here. Where is Milo? Milo. No. Hey. Come here. Milo. Hey. Run. Guys, so me and Milo, we love walking outside, especially today. The weather is actually beautiful today. So I know he's mad at me right now because he wanna run. Milo, you wanna run? So guys, yeah, me and Milo, by the way, if you don't know my dog's name is Milo. So we like going for a walk every morning. I don't like putting a leash on him because I like when he has freedom. He's my baby. I like when he's happy. He's only happy when he has no leash on. Right, Milo? Milo, where are you, Milo? Huh? Run. You see? Yeah, he got freedom. So, yep. You guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Put a comment. Put a like. Share the video. And see you next time.